The graph of a linear function is shown on the grid. What is the rate of change of y with respect to x for this function? The key vocabulary word that needs to be picked up on in this question is rate of change. And we need to remember that this is just a fancy way of asking for slope. Slope can be found as long as we have ordered pairs from the graph or table using linear regression. Our equation is y1 tilde mx1 plus b. But before we can use that, we do have to identify at least two ordered pairs from the graph or table. In this case, they actually plotted two of them for us. We just need to be able to identify them by their coordinate points. For this first point, we see that it has an x value at -4 and a y value at +7. For the second point, we have an x coordinate of 4 and a y value of 1. You could also choose other points on this particular graph, such as 0, 4, or any other point that looks good to you. But just make sure that it is actually on a crosshair. That's why I recommend that you just choose the 2 points that were actually plotted by this particular problem. On Desmos, we will add a table and type in these 2 points, -4, 7 and 4, 1. In our second line, we will type our linear regression equation, y1 tilde mx1 plus b, and we will see that the slope is given as -0.75. Now, if you're not sure how to convert that to a fraction, you can come to the third line and type in m, and that will give you the convert to a fraction button, which will then tell you that the answer is -3/4, which is letter D.